What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Oh, excuse me one sec. Today, as you probably saw in the title, I don't know how I'm going to title this video yet. We're going to work on that carburetor. I got the kit to remove that fuel fitting, install the new fuel fitting, and then we are going to be cleaning the carb and just refreshing it. The bike ran, not bad once I was tweaking on it, right? As you guys, I think you guys saw in the one video there. So I don't really think I have to adjust on anything. Fingers crossed. But you never know till we open it up and see what's going on. It's Sunday here for me right now. So what we're going to do in this segment, or this portion of the video, I guess I should say, is we are going to, or I'm going to go through show you guys the kit that I bought. We're going to check it out, open it up, all that, and we're going to do the fuel fitting. And then tomorrow, it's Monday, right? It comes after Sunday. And the co-op's open. So I'll be able to go and buy some carb cleaner, and then we'll be able to open up the carb. And also, it's being Monday, Harley will be open. So if I need gaskets or anything, I'll be able to source it. Always think ahead, folks. Never jump into anything unless you can get yourself out of it, I guess would be the advice I could give you with that. I should have taken that advice and just sold this thing, eh? And put the money that I spent on the wheels and the motor into a newer one. And we've already been out and ripping and done. But this is an OBS. It's a nice truck. I don't know, what do you guys think? I think I'm happy with my decision. Anyways, let's flip around here and show you what we got working with. I know this is going to be a long clip, but with it being my kid's birthday this week coming up, I won't have much time for editing, so if I can do, stuff in one take, let's go. Alright, so this is what we got. Alright, we've got the tap. Let me zoom in. Okay. Which goes into here. As you guys can see, here's the info. Okay. Secondly, we have the tool. That once you tap it, where is it? It goes over here. Then you tightened it down, and it pulls it out. And then we get this guy. Sorry for the camera work, guys. I'm still having issues with my phone here. There we go. Then we get this guy here. And then that goes in there. So I'm going to sip on a beer. Going to have a puff of the vape. And we'll get out. Let me see here. Get it in the vise. And we will be right back. Alright, guys. Want to see what I did here? I put a piece, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I put a piece of paper towel down in the hull. So then none of the shavings would fall in. Now we'll be able to put this in. This piece here goes over it, like so. That goes like that. This threads in. Somehow, there we go, I'm not lining it up right. It's a lot easier off camera. Let me see here. There we go. Alright, so you gotta tighten this down a bit more. And then we'll just put this down and we'll pull this out. Then we'll read the instructions. Alright. And like that, that fitting, as you guys can see, is out. That tool, let me sit down here, did very well. As you guys can see, you don't really have to be 100% straight, which I wasn't 100% straight on, but it was enough to still pull it out. Now, let's check out what the instructions have to tell us how to do this. because I didn't realize that this was instructions. I thought this was just a receipt. Okay. Thank you for your purchase. If you have any questions, call my cell or text. Your feedback would be greatly appreciated. Well, you guys, yeah, if you need this tool, this is the number you call or text. It works very, 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 very well, as you saw here. So you know what the angle of the inlet tube, we never did, because it was broken a while ago. Remove any black plastic, yeah, we did that. Tap the hole, best to put paper towel in. We did that. You guys can't really see. Just paper towel in there. Do not go past the end of the brass fitting. Well, no, I didn't. Install tool, look like pick, lower nut. Yep. Okay. All right. So it looks like all we have to do now is put this one in, and that'll be the end of this part of the video. Let's hope. Things have gone too smooth, it seems. All right, guys. We're gonna end this section of this video. Check it out. We got the fuel fitting in at a good angle. If I have to move it, I might be able to tap it back and forth a bit, but I doubt it. So I drove her in there. All right, she's not coming out. It's not gonna leak. Yeah. It won't break. Yeah, that'll never break. So I worry about this piece here, you know, plastic and all, but we're not going to be dinking with any of this at all. We're just going to spray her down with some carb cleaner and stuff, and take a brush to it and brush it all down, clean it all up in our the next part of the video, and then open it up and see what we've got to do. This carb isn't actually as dirty as I thought it was. Ooh, what the buck is this? Sorry, I said buck. Like, you know, the deer. I'm trying to keep back on my swearing as much as I can, because my soon-to-be 3-year-old has been picking up on it. I know. Monkey see, monkey do, right? So, anyways, guys, we will be back with cleaning up that carb. Oh, let me show you here. This was the fitting that I took out. So, as you can see, the fitting that we replaced it with is a lot better, you know, way better, right? More way betters, what would that guy from Vice Grip Garage, more gooder, I guess, would you say? It's more gooder. So, and that tool, yeah, a million thumbs up, guy. I'm gonna text you and let you know that I did this video, and your tool worked flawlessly. Alright, guys, I'm gonna finish my beer, and then I'm gonna head home and make supper for the kids, and then see you guys in the morning. Alright, guys, it's the next day. I had a bunch of stuff to do today before I came here today, and when I got here, I completely forgot to pick up the camera, and I got to work instead. My bad. I apologize. But in all fairness, after looking at this carb and going over it, this wasn't the carb to show you guys anyways. Just let me show you what I mean. As you can see, it came out like brand new. Brand new. Okay? Right down to the sticker still, everything is just brand new. Inside here, you know, everything is just there's a little bit of gook, but not anything I'm worried about. So, and everything else blew out fine. All the jets up front here are all clear. Same with this main squirter. I'm gonna have to give this a little bit of a file. I have my files at home. I forgot to bring them today, but I'll do that. Come on, zoom out. There we go. Just off camera on another time here. So, but I have until next weekend. It's Sunday for me. I got until next weekend to get the bike up and running for my cousins there. So, yeah, we're going to put her back together here and put her back on. What do you guys think, though? Compared to what it looked like. It's all clean. Even, tell me if yeah, I'd be happy. Even the zinc. I brought the zinc back to life. A little bit of boogers in it, but otherwise she's good to go. I'm gonna get the car back together here, and we'll get her back on the bike and just keep putzing away. We might get the car, or I don't know if we're gonna get the tank completely on today, due to the fact that I need to get some shoe goo to put that leather piece back on. And I think that's about it. Who knows though? Who knows? Stick around. Alright guys, well, I got a bunch done on the bike, and then I had a bunch of company show up. And I got busy, like I do. Yeah. Yeah, there you guys go. Aside from putting some shoe glue on to hold this leather down, she's all back together. I still have the carb intake off, right? Because I have to deal with the fuel line, as you guys can see. I don't have the fuel line on. It goes from here, and then it's literally a straight shot right to the fuel inlet. So that's rock and roll right there, boys and girls. The real reason why I haven't been filming, because we had something actually show up that wasn't supposed to show up until tomorrow. Want to see what it is? I know you do. Bang. This is what I got my 2-year-old for her birthday this year. As you guys can see. So, yeah, I spoil my kids. It is what it is, right? If I can afford to do what I do with my Tahoe, why can't my kids afford nice things too? Right? I mean, after all, it's just me and them. So, I'm gonna head home now, because like I said, I got so sidetracked and so much shit happened, and I had family show up and a whole bunch of stuff happened, and I'm not gonna lie, many beers have been drinking. I'm gonna go home, make some supper for the girls, come back tomorrow. Well, I'm gonna go to the Co-op or John Deere, one of the two, get the proper fuel line, because I have 5/8, I need 1/4 inch. And then once I do that, I'm thinking I could put the air cleaner stuff on, right? And we can fire it up and make some noise. Stay tuned, guys. This could get interesting before it gets, like, I don't know, the opposite. Alright guys, it's the next day. I got the fuel line and stuff for the bike. And then Buddy showed up, and we started to kind of figure out some more stuff on the Tahoe here. The wiring wise and, you know, exhaust stuff. So, and then I got busy. Yeah, you guys know the bike's all back together. Air cleaner's back on. You know, fuel system. Got the petcock on. Everything is all good to go here. So, yeah, everything's all ran. With that, gonna call it a day. Gonna head out now and go see the grandpa's grave there and wish him a happy birthday. And then cook the kids some supper. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I might have something special for you guys next. Maybe. So, but we'll see. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. And we will see you next video. And I'm sorry that I never got to clean the carb out. It just wasn't that bad. But the bike will be running next time you see it. So stay tuned. Take care of yourselves. And God bless.